Yes, hello students, welcome to Khan Academy. Continuation of current system analysis in power system subject. Okay, in this lecture, I want to explain the detailed solution for the practice booklet. In the last lecture, I given one booklet. Now see the what are the solutions for that questions. Okay, but in this video, first 1 to 15 question solutions only I will give. In the next lecture, whatever the previous gate questions and the ESC and PSU's questions are there, for those questions detailed solution I will give. Okay students, shall we start? All of you take the booklet and see the question number 1. I told already during the explanation of solutions, I don't write any questions, just I will give the question number and solution only I will give. This booklet I already given for you in the last lecture. Okay, see the question number 1. This first 1 to 15 questions I am explaining. This question number 1 solution I am giving. But I read the question, we follow that. A 5 MVA 3.3 kV single phase transformer, single phase synchronous generator, not a transformer, single phase synchronous generator X equal to 0.8 ohms. The per unit reactance of the generator is dash. Yes. What it is given? X equal to the reactance of the generator equal to 0.8 ohms it is given. Yes. Then the rating of the generator is 5 MVA 3.3 kV 3.3 kV. Then what is the per unit reactance of the generator? Yes, what is the per unit reactance of the generator that you want to find? This you want to calculate. You know the formula in the concept I already given. The per unit reactance equal to actual reactance into base MVA base by kV base whole square, voltage base square. Because ratings are given for higher values, that's why I taken MVA kV. Okay. Now, what is the per unit reactance? Actual reactance is how much? 0.8 ohms into what is the MVA base? Base MVA is 5 MVA by 3.3 kV whole square. Then you can do this calculation. How much you can get? This you can get 0.36. All of you having the calculators, do that. Then you can get 0.3673 per unit. X per unit is 0.3673 per unit. Okay, this is the solution for that problem. Here just I asked only per unit reactance. We may expect what the percentage reactance also. How to get percentage reactance? If the percentage reactance it is asked, then what you can do? Per unit reactance into 100. I told already the only difference between the percentage and per unit is multiplied with into 100, then you can get the percentage. Then how much percentage you can get? You tell me 36.73%. But in this problem, I asked only per unit reactance. If it is asked percentage also, do like this. Clear? Now say the question number 2. Second question solution I am giving. Students, all of you follow the booklet. Already given in the last lecture. Yes, a 10 MVA 6.6 kV. The rating of the given machine is 10 MVA 6.6 kV. Yes, 6.6 kV. Three-phase synchronous generator has X equal to 1.5 ohms. The per unit reactance of the generator is dash. Then you want to find what is the per unit reactance of the generator. Want to find what is the per unit reactance of the generator. Yes, given is three-phase synchronous generator 10 MVA 6.6 kV. But if it is a three-phase, but it is not mentioned that it is a star connected or delta connected. If it is not given, generally you take a star connected generator only. A star connected synchronous generator or star connected alternator only. Then how to calculate? First I want to write what is the base impedance. In the concept I told already, for a star connected alternator, for any star connected system, then what the base? VL square by S3 phase. If it is a star connected. Even though it is not mentioned, if generally it is not mentioned, generally you take the star connected only. Then what is ZB equal to VL square? What is the VL? 6 point. Whatever the ratings are given in 3 phase, voltage indicate the line, this rating indicate the 3 phase rating. Okay. Then what is VL? This is 6.6 kV 10 cube whole square by, first I am calculating the base impedance. Then what is the 3 phase? 10 MVA. 10 into 10 power 6. Once you know the base impedance, then how to calculate this base impedance, how to calculate the per unit reactance. Then per unit reactance equal to actual reactance by base impedance. I told already, for reactance also base is impedance only. Even for resistor also, resistance also base is impedance. What is the actual reactance? 1.5 ohms. What is the base impedance? This is 6.6 into 10 cube whole square by 10 MVA, 10 into 10 power 6. 10 into 10 power 6. Then you do this, what the per unit reactance you can get. You do that calculation, then you can get the per unit reactance is 0.3443. 0.3443 we can get. This is the solution for second question. Is it clear? Yes. Then if it is asked what the percentage reactance, how much? 34.43%. Like this you can do. If only per unit means up to this okay. If it is asked percentage means multiply with into 100. Then you can get 0.3443%. So this is the second question. Concept very simple. If a 3 phase is given, first calculate the base impedance. Then how to define per unit value, actual value by base value. Then we can get 0.3443. Clear? Okay. Now see the third problem. Okay. All of you read the question. See the question number 3. A 20 MVA 11 kV. This question number 3. Solution I am giving. A 20 MVA 11 kV. 20 MVA 11 kV. Yes. Synchronous generator. X equal to 2 ohms. Reactance equal to 2 ohms. The per unit reactance at, you find the per unit reactance, at 25 MVA 22 kV. 25 MVA 22 kV. Actually, this is 20 MVA 11 kV synchronous generator whose reactance is 2 ohms. But it is asking per unit reactance not at 20 MVA 11 kV. You find the per unit reactance at 25 MVA 22 kV. Then what is the per unit reactance? You tell me formula. Per unit reactance equal to actual reactance into base MVA. MVA base by KVB base whole square. Then X per unit equal to, what the actual reactance is? 2 ohms into, but base is not 20 MVA. It is mentioned that take 25. 25 by kV base. What the base? Not 11 kV. It is mentioned that take 22. 22 square. Then what the per unit reactance? The per unit reactance X per unit equal to, you do that calculation, we can get 0.1033. Then if it is asked percentage, what the percentage reactance? 10.33% we can get. Clear? If these values are not mentioned, directly you take this is the base values, then you do. But in the problem it is given, take this and do the what is the per unit reactance. Clear? Next, concentrate. Question number 4. Students, is it okay? Understanding? Already these formulas you know. Okay, all of you read the question. Question number 4. A 20 MVA 11 kV synchronous generator X equal to 2 ohms. The per unit reactance at 13.2 kV is dash. Given that 20 MVA voltage rating is 11 kV synchronous generator. It is a synchronous generator whose reactance X equal to 2 ohms. Then find the per unit reactance at 22 kV. Sorry, at 13.2 kV. At 13.2 kV. See the difference between these two problems. You find the per unit reactance at 25 MVA, 22 kV. Both voltage and current values are, voltage and apparent power values are different. But here in this problem, take the same apparent power but change the voltage value. Like that problem is asked. Then what is the per unit reactance formula? Per unit reactance equal to X actual into base MVA. MVA base by base voltage square. Okay. Then what is the per unit reactance? X per unit equal to what the actual reactance is given? 2 ohms. Actual reactance is 2 ohms. What is the base MVA? 20 MVA. KVB base. Don't take 11 kV. It is mentioned in the problem. Take 13.2 kV. 13.2 square. Then simplify that. Do the calculation. How much per unit reactance we can get? 0.22957 per unit we can get. 0.22957. Then if you want percentage reactance, what is the percentage reactance? 22.957% we can get. Is it clear? Okay. Yes. See the question number 5. Solutions I am giving. Is it okay? Yes. A 50 MVA 13.2 kV X equal to 1.8 per unit. Then the reactance of the generator in ohm is dash. A 50 MVA 13.2 kV synchronous generator whose reactance is 1.8 per unit. That is 50 MVA. So 50 MVA. What the voltage rating is given? 13.2 kV. 13.2 kV. Whose reactance is 1.8 per unit. Then what is the X value in ohms? In the last 4 problems you are calculated per unit value. But in this problem per unit value is given, you find the what is the absolute value. Like that question is framed. Okay. Okay. Now same formula only. Apply the same formula. What is the per unit reactance formula? X per unit equal to X actual into base MVA. MVA base by KV base square. What the per unit reactance is given? 1.8. But you want to find the actual reactance. Per unit reactance is given. Then what is the base MVA? 50. Then what is the voltage? 13.2. See this formula directly in MVA KV. That's why directly I taken 50, directly I taken 13.2. This is in terms of MVA. This again no need to write into 10 power 6. No need to write into 10 cube. The formula already in terms of MVA base and the KV. Okay, 13.2 square. Then from this what is the XA? Actual reactance. Okay, do that calculation. We can get actual reactance equal to 6.273 ohms. It's okay? Okay, this is question number 5. Clear? See the students, question number 6. Are you following the solutions? Yes. This is question number 6. Solution I am giving. First, I am reading the question. Follow that. A 100 MVA 11 kV synchronous generator. Given rating is 100 MVA. 100 MVA 11 kV. Yes. Synchronous generator whose reactance is X equal to 0.8 per unit. 0.8 per unit. The per unit reactance at, then you find the per unit reactance at, find the per unit reactance at 250 MVA, 250 MVA, 250 MVA, 13.2 kV, 13.2 kV. You find the per unit reactance. You find the per unit reactance at 250 MVA, 13.2 kV. But already per unit reactance is given. See the difference here. In the last problems, actual reactance is given. You are calculated per unit reactance at a different MVA and different voltage also. But here actual reactance is not given. Directly per unit reactance is given. But you find the new per unit reactance. That means you want to find the one per unit value from one base to other base values. For that you know the formula. Okay, what is the formula you tell me? X per unit nu is equal to X per unit volt into MVA nu by MVA volt, base MVA volt into kV volt by kV nu whole square. This formula you know. You are converting the per unit value. Given is not the absolute value. Already per unit reactance is given. Again you want to find the per unit reactance with new base values. That is the difference between previous problems and this problem. Okay. Now what is the X per unit nu? X per unit nu equal to, what is the X per unit volt? 0.8 into, yes, what is the MVA nu? MVA nu is 250. 250 by, what is the volt MVA? 100 MVA. Yes, into, what is the kV volt? kV volt is 11 kV. What is the kV nu? 13.2 whole square. Then you do this calculation. What is the X per unit nu we can get? This X per unit nu equal to, we can get 1.3889. This is per unit. Clear? This formula already you know. The concept I already given the proof also. It's okay. This is the question number 6. Understand? Now see the students. Question number 7. Please take all of you the booklet from the previous video. From the previous lecture, collect the booklet and follow that questions and see the solutions. Students, see the question number 7. Solution I am explaining. A 250 MVA 13.2 kV. Given rating is 250 MVA. Yes, 13.2 kV synchronous generator has X equal to 1.2 per unit. The per unit reactance at 22 kV is dash. You find the per unit reactance at 22 kV. That means you want to find the new value of per unit reactance at 22 kV. But the apparent power base is not given. If it is not given, whatever the previous value is there, that value only you take. No other alternative. Then what the X per unit nu equal to? x per unit nu equal to x actual into MVA nu, that is MVA nu by MVA volt base values into kV volt by kV nu whole square. This formula all of you know. Now what is the x per unit nu equal to? X per unit nu equal to what is the x? Sir, x per unit nu equal to is not x actual, sorry, x per unit volt, sorry, is correct that x per unit volt. What is the x per unit volt? 1.2 into what is the MVA nu? MVA nu is not given, take the previous value only. This is 250 by 250 into what is the kV volt? kV volt is 13.2 kV. 13.2 kV. What is the kV nu? 22 kV whole square. Then do these calculations. What is the x per unit nu we can get? The new value of per unit reactance. The new value of per unit reactance is 0.432. 0.432. Is it clear? Concentrate.